by force, this element came off and the flue just went in. It's probably like it wasn't screwed together. It was taped together but wasn't screwed. So now we're going to show you how to repair it quickly. So I'll jump up to show you how to measure from inside, nice and neat. Alright, so first we measure from outside the wall to the centre of the flue. So that's about 455. Then we jump down. We've already screwed it together, so we'll need to tape it up in a second. But you put the inner collar on, outer collar on, and then from the centre of the flue, you look up, look here, you got 45.5. It's a perfect match. Now, once you do that, you need to drill a pilot hole with a tiny screw bit where you drill through, then you drive your screwdriver. Then, once you do that, you'll have to put the tape on. That's it. That's the job done. Go. Well, I'm a new engineer working with A&R boilers, and this is the type of training I received, and I'm really happy with it.